Here is a picture we are going to edit in Photoshop. So there is an image. We will find the gradient maps for it. So we are using the gradients just for the visibility of it. So we will customize it first before apply there. Add a paint around it. Use the different options for it. So there is a shape to make the designs here. Now we will make a filter stylize, create the tiles of it. Go with the 20 portions of the tiles. Add another color for that. Thank you for